Can you describe the roles and relationship between JVM and JRE? JDK and JRE are both essential components of the Java platform and are used for running Java programs. While they share some similarity, they also have important differences. Both JDK and JRE are used for running Java programs and are required for developing and deploying Java applications. JDK Java Development Kit includes tools for developing Java applications such as compiler, debugger, and other development tools. JRE Java Runtime Environment, on the other hand, includes only the Java virtual machine and the Java class library, which are required for running Java programs. JDK is a platform dependent. It is includes tools for developing Java applications that are specific to a particular operating system. JRE is on the other hand is platform independent as it includes only the Java virtual machine and the Java class library, which are designed to run on any operating system that supports Java. Java code is platform independent because it is compiled into bytecode, which can be run on any platform that supports Java. This bytecode is then interpreted by the Java virtual machine at runtime, which allows Java program to run on any platform that has a compatible JVM.